In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail and YouTube accounts in one process. By the end, you'll have a Google account that unlocks Gmail and a YouTube channel, all set up in a single smooth flow. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Account Sign In. On the Sign In page, click Create Account. You'll be asked to choose the account type, personal use, for a child, or for work or business. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to use the account. Personal use is perfect for everyday email and YouTube. The child option helps with supervision, and the business option is great if this will represent a company. Enter your first and last name so your account feels personal and recognizable. Next, provide your birth date and gender. This information helps Google personalize your experience and apply age-appropriate settings. Now choose a unique username. This will become your Gmail address, so aim for something simple, professional, and memorable. If your first choice is taken, try adding a middle initial or a short variation. Keep it easy to spell and share. Create a strong password that you'll remember using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Longer passwords are generally stronger. Avoid obvious personal details, and consider storing your password in a secure manager so you don't lose access later. You'll see an option to add and verify a recovery email. This is optional but highly recommended. If you ever forget your password or get locked out, a recovery email makes it much easier to regain access. If you don't have one right now, you can add it later in your account settings. Before moving on, review Google's terms and privacy policy. A quick scan helps you understand how your data is used. Click I agree to proceed. Your Google account is now created, which automatically gives you access to Gmail. You can open Gmail from the Google Apps menu to view your inbox and start using your new address. To set up your YouTube presence, go to YouTube and sign in with the same Google account. Click your profile icon, open Settings, and select Create a new channel. Follow the prompts to choose a channel name. You can use your own name or a brand style name. You'll have the option to add a profile picture and customize basic details so your channel looks polished from day one. And that's it. You now have a Google account with Gmail, plus a YouTube channel ready to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these.